It's time to connect to my website. I'm just going to paste in my domain name, give my website a name, Nightbeers. And of course we can connect my website to a team or choose a new team. I'm going to keep it as default, hit continue. Okay, so we've got automatic and manual. I'm going to leave it at automatic. We just need to add my WP admin, which is set as default. Just need to paste in my username and password. And then we just have to hit the connect website. And we're going to watch it in real time. So we're preparing the connection process. And it's just going to link my website to Modular DS. It's establishing a connection. Okay, so it's installing a Modu DS plugin on my website, so we'll go check it out in a second. And it's done, so it's quite fast. Okay, so my website is now connected. The clip you just watched is from my full review of Modular DS. If you'd like to check out the complete video, just click on the card link shown on screen, or you can find the link in the video description. If you're ready to purchase Modular DS, you can scan the QR code on screen or use my affiliate link in the video description below, which helps support my channel. And if you want to see a video showing how to connect a website manually, drop a comment and I'll make it happen.
Please like and subscribe.